Have you ever noticed your heat pump running non-stop, your energy bills climbing higher, and your home still not feeling comfortable? The surprising answer is that many heat pump problems start silently, long before a complete breakdown occurs. Welcome to PartsHnC. Heat pumps are among the most efficient HVAC systems available, but their performance depends on a delicate balance of airflow, refrigerant movement, sensors, and environmental conditions. Even something as simple as outdoor coil frosting, heavy shading, strong winds, or debris buildup can reduce heat transfer and force the system to work harder. Hidden refrigerant imbalances, control board conflicts, and repeated defrost cycles can further strain critical components, especially the compressor. Recognizing the warning signs early is essential. Uneven temperatures, unusual noises, short cycling, delayed startup, poor heating or cooling performance, and erratic thermostat behavior often indicate underlying issues. Ground source systems can also experience loop pressure imbalances, sediment buildup, or circulating pump problems that reduce efficiency and comfort. The good news is that many of these problems can be prevented. Regular coil cleaning, proper airflow maintenance, sensor calibration, refrigerant inspections, and clearing obstructions around the outdoor unit help keep the system operating at peak performance. Annual professional diagnostics can also identify hidden wear before it turns into an expensive repair. Optimizing performance goes beyond maintenance. Proper heat pump sizing, balanced refrigerant flow, efficient defrost cycles, stable compressor operation, and smooth reversing valve performance all play a major role in long-term reliability and energy savings. For a deeper dive into these issues and solutions, check out our blog, Heat Pump Systems 101, Key Problems and How to Handle Them. Visit PartsHnC for quality HVAC parts and supplies. Follow us on social media for more HVAC tips, troubleshooting guides, and industry insights. Thanks for watching.